Hello, welcome to INDODAX tutorial with me, Yose Satria. Okay, this time Yose is going to explain the KYC or Know Your Customer process, especially for foreigner. So without further ado, let's go! After successfully registering and accessing an account, INDODAX members are required to complete the Know Your Customer or KYC process before being able to make transaction to ensure a safe and reliable investment experience in investasi aset masa depan. The KYC process aims to enhance account security and ensure crypto exchange platform compliance with applicable regulations. In the process, consumers need to prepare a passport and KITAP for foreign citizen, or we can say WNA, and do a face verification through a selfie photo for identity verification. First of all, you should open the INDODAX on your mobile apps. Click the main menu, then please tap Verify on your account banner. Then tap Start Account Verification button. Please have your physical passport and KITAP or KITAS ready for account verification. Then tap Start to continue the account verification process. After that, select Nationality. If you are a foreigner, please select your own nationality, then tap Continue. For an example, I choose Netherlands. Then you can take a passport photo. Don't forget to pay attention to instructions that appear on the mobile screen. Then, to the next step, please allow INDODAX to access cameras and media. Tap Grant Permission and select Allow to continue the account verification process. Move to the next step, take a photo of your passport. Please take a photo of your passport and place it in the box provided, and ensure that the passport photo taken is not damaged, blurred, cut, or copied. Then, review your passport photo. Please ensure that the passport photo taken is correct. If not, you may select the retake photo option, but if it's already in correct position, then you may select the continue option. After that, fill in your passport details. Please fill in your passport number, and please fill in the validity period of your passport. Once done, tap Save. Move to the next step. Get your KITAS or KITAP ready for a photo. Then you can tap Take Photo button. Please recheck and make sure that KITAP or KITAS photo taken is correct. If not, you can choose the Retake Photo option. But if it's already in correct state, you may choose the Continue option. And then tap Next button to continue. Move to the next step. Please fill in your personal details according to your passport. It consists of full name, place of birth, date of birth, gender, occupation, and mother's name. And then tap Continue. Please fill in your personal data, especially for your domicile of residence, such as country address and postal code. After that, please include your relatives' details as emergency contact. It consists of emergency contact name. Please input the name of the relative who will be used as emergency contact. Then relation. Please select your relationship with relative who will be used as an emergency contact. And also emergency contact number. Please enter the mobile number of the relative who will be used as emergency contact. If you have filled in all the data, then click or tap Continue. Move to the next step. Please fill in your financial details. You must fill in the fields such as income per year, source of funds, account purpose, monthly training budget, and account holder. Then, tap Save. Next step, we have reached Proceed to Face Verification process. Tap Next to continue the KYC process to the face verification step. Then, we reach to the next step, Perform Face Verification. Please verify your face and ensure that you have followed the instruction provided. Then tap Start Face Verification. Move to the next step, Start Face Detection. Get yourself ready as neatly as possible and make sure you have enough lighting for a perfect selfie. Please follow the instruction provided during the face detection test. Follow the instruction, keep your face upright and facing the camera, and move closer to the camera. Then tap Continue. Moving forward to the next step, confirm your data. Please confirm the data to be submitted from passport number until date of birth. Then tap confirm and next. Alright, now is the final step. Please read the terms and conditions. Please refer to our terms and conditions. Then tap agree and submit. You can continue to browse the app while waiting for your verification request to be approved. That's all from us. Wishing you success in your investing and trading journey with INDODAX. Cheers to the asset of the future. Hasta la vista, adios, ciao.